Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing your revisions at your home. Students, today we will revise spatial relationship between the objects. Now students, can you see this is a box and this is a car. The car is on the box. The car is on the box. What is the position of the car? This is a box and this is a car, and the car is on the box. Now students, can you see we made a bridge with some toys. Now tell me, where is the car? The car is under the bridge. This is a bridge and the car is under the bridge. The car is under the bridge. Now students, look at this pen. The pen is inside the box. The pen is inside the box. We can close this box, and that now the pen is inside the box. We can see the pen is inside the box. Now tell me, where is the marker? The marker is outside the box. The pen is inside and the marker is outside the box. Now students, look, these are some boxes. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 boxes. Now tell me, which box is on the top? This box is on the top. We have many boxes and this box is on the top. Now tell me, which box is at the bottom? These 3 boxes. Tell me which box is at the bottom. This box is on the top and this box is at the bottom, as it is in the last. And the first one is on the top. This box is on the top, and the last one, this box is at the bottom. Now students, look, this is a cube and this is a car. This is the cube and this is a car. Now tell me, if we will say this is number 1 and this is number 2. So which one is after? The cube or the car? This is in front. So from this side we can say the car is after the cube. The car is after the cube. Can you tell me again? The car is after the cube. Now let's see from this side. The car is before the cube. The car is before the cube. Now see, here are 3 objects, 1 cube, 1 is marker and the toy car. Now tell me, which thing is in between? Now this is a cube and this is a car, and the marker is between the cube and the car. The marker is between these both things. So the marker is between the cube and car. Now tell me, which one is bigger from both of these things? The cube is bigger or the car is bigger? When we compare 2 things, we say the cube is bigger than the car. The cube is bigger than the car. But when we compare more than 2 things, we will say cube is biggest than the car and marker. The cube is biggest from all of these things. Now the opposite of the bigger is smaller. The car is smaller than the cube. The car is smaller than the cube.